So something I did forget to mention in the last video is this harness. This used to be my old harness. It is custom, it is wire tucked, and the fuse boxes used to go behind the dash. Everything was relocated inside the car. Very few wiring actually left the interior of the car, and everything inside ran inside the chassis. Since it was gutted, I didn't want any wires running around. I'm not going to use that anymore. I'm going back to OEM harness, which I have right here. I'll be using this harness, which based on the seller should be the same year chassis, which is a 90 chassis, and it should work. Hopefully we'll see how that works out. I am going to be cleaning this one up and restoring as much as possible. New tape, new covering, and fix anything that might be broken on it. I'm gonna inspect it before I install it so we have no issues down the road. Let's see what happens with that. So as you can see, remove the whole engine harness and chassis harness. Looks much better now. The old mess I had. Decided to work on the harness before I go into the whole interior journey, just in case. So this is the new harness. Well, at least not torn up as mine was. OEM one. Did a quick once over. Didn't see anything crazy or destroyed that I could find. It's pretty complete. Even has, buttons like this one for the cruise control. It's pretty complete. To be honest, I think I'm gonna keep it this way. Just gonna clean it up. I'm not gonna start cutting it up as I did in the past. I want to go back to OEM as possible, and this was one of the mistakes I made when I thought I was only going to track the car a few years ago. So let's start cleaning it up. So this is the harness I was cleaning up. This is how it ended up. Really liked how it ended. You can see it removed of the crud, all that grease and crap that's been holding up for years. I did find some small issues of plugs like this. I need to fix that up, recover some of the areas. Here's another one, needs to be checked out where it goes to. But I really like how it ended up. It's much better than one I had. And another good thing I noticed about this harness is it includes all these firewall plugs that I have no idea if I still have. I've been missing a lot of the parts that I put in storage, and having these really makes my life easier. So that's gonna be all for this video. I'll start another one later on, cleaning up the other one and mending this one.